Spicy chicken. Diced chicken. Dried chilies soaked in boiling water. Garlic and ginger. Sichuan peppercorn and green onions. Scallions leaves. Roasted peanuts. Add soy sauce. Oyster sauce. Pepper. Yolk. Scratch sticky. Starch. Stir well. Add starch to another container. Sesame. Soaked peppers. To stir. Add half an egg white. Small fire. Add more oil. Fried chili peppers. Spread out slowly until the peppers are crispy. Turn off the fire. Serve. High fire. Diced chicken. Fry for 10 seconds before flipping. Pan fried brown. Fry ginger and garlic. Add green onions and Sichuan peppercorn. Add peanuts. Chicken and chili stir fry evenly. Add scallions leaves. 2 grams of salt. 2 grams pepper powder. 5 milliliters chili oil. Dry, crispy. Dried chili is also delicious.